uso we now say utitim say what kind sa dey.
Na say let here call Honorable Ken Hui. One significant thing about who we say e bi nhyase. Bi zan ku bi bebe assign no. Wo dey heni Paul sign here. Wo dey na body ni kire me. One sign here.
Chairman.
And one chairman. What would you
chairman for and on behalf
yes
of the disciplinary committee?
When you are writing something to somebody, what addressing it to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong? Oh, sign if we don't know the person that signed the petition, the letter to tell Honorable Ken say, on shown a written response. What you say? There's no name even,
and yet where you the copy. I command Dr. Bawumia. Among for the donor na ya na omo etai fre ebusa se na Honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong se NPP for eka se ye koyina di ye kopam no obekofie ensem bebre.
Zankum 2 weeks no mo de mai no say no akosi sen
2 weeks no no say 2 weeks no dey take abesen
and I make us into akosi sen dey no mo catch party for no.
Today we are coming with updates.
So we say we pam Kennedy Agyapong Afriyie NPP. Hey, wo di pa ko adwen ho adwen wo trim odwen ho wo pam Kennedy Agyapong Afriyie NPP muso be na mo ko fa be eti obi oti ho bia no a o say ya pam Kennedy Agyapong no eya wo dey ahwe omo omo sum Bawumia ti se bosom
na ayu Afriyie foolishly go and craft this petition omo sign ni nyina no omo sign ayu Afriyie na chiro.
Today we are coming with updates. Honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong abeto odwa se wabeye interview ewa ha afei ni birthday so osan ka asem foforo e ma ne kokoye se wakasa tia party no eti se sa na tia dia ye nkonkotwe na so na me no kasa niam awodo a ekoso ewo Ghana ha na nya asem ketwa. We saw some of the new patriotic party executives are one more catcher Ghana for said they have given the disciplinary committee 2 weeks ultimatum, said they should take action against Honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong. Now, sir, what do you need a new patriotic party disciplinary committee? One more answer can crater be ya crater and one more chess nipa bi a NPP party num na atro ediaba na yebetra ekae ebusa pani bi se minority that is minority members of parliament on the ticket of NPP ebinom akabom atro petition ediaba o se dabi bibia sansi na ye ankrankrofuo bi a wo edro party no eno mode ebae now yetumre ye bekire usie wonu sene a etie me pacho fa first document fa 2 team ne so emame na yenin komo correct eti eno na edasoi and raise issues which in the views of the petitioners call for consideration under the party's constitution and established procedures pursuant to the provisions of the party's constitution and established procedures. The National Council has referred these petitions to the disciplinary committee for consideration in accordance with the party's disciplinary process. The committee is committed to conducting its work fairly, impartially, and in accordance with the principles of natural justice. We therefore consider it both necessary and appropriate to afford you the opportunity to respond to the matters raised in the petitions, to provide any clarification, explanation, comment, or other information you consider relevant to its consideration of the issues raised. For the avoidance of doubt, the committee has not raised any findings in relation to the matters contained in the petitions. The committee's role is to receive and consider all relevant information placed before it and to ensure that any conclusions reached are informed by due process and fair consideration of all relevant material. Copies of these petitions referred to the committee are enclosed for your attention and consideration. You are hereby requested to submit a written response to the petitions together with any document, records, or materials upon which you wish to rely within 7 days of receipt of this letter. The committee shall take into account your response and any supporting material in the discharge of its mandate. Now, disciplinary committee and wakasa se ye de krata ba betu nanim na krata ni fi party fo bi ho a ekire se Honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong akeka kansem bebre ya se party na hwe yi a ebegu party nanim ase enu nti wo mo e tworo de amano se onhwe se de be yo mpeso om de perper yo eye adwumanti within 7 days onhwe so ono so de response e de beba na mom ne response no e ma ne mfamba disciplinary committee nanim na mom ontworo ngu nkrata so ye mfamra be se be ho ankasa nanim. Now say we petitions ahodo a ekoya this petition no every minority petition against the anti-party conduct of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong in relation to the Afriyie military hospital visit. Eti grounds no ena ewa hei a edaso ewa hakama. Now I say Dr. Nana Ayu Afriyie Efidwase Asokore ranking member health committee papa ne signature ene da ho no de etosu mienu enso eye Dr. Patrick Boakye Agyarko Obuasi East MP ono nso ne de ene da ho no enti de etosu miensa enso eye Dr. Kingsley Agyman Ebuakwa South MP nipa bonifo sei ono nso ne de ene da ho no ena fe Alexander Akwasiakwa Akim Odan MP galamsey ura ono nso ne de ne da ho no ena Frank Yeboa ono nso ye atwema enwabiaja not MP ono nso ne de ene da ho no enti enkofo we se Honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong yempam no emfa ne free party nim wemo edin na da ho na emwanwa se Kingsley Agyman eka ho ma menko Albert won so emra opani Honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong yempam no yenwoni nsinchen yemani kofie ene da TV so a wahwe ni nyina afi wahu nipa omunsa share from parliament a omde ko se yempam Honorable Ken na omu betimi aye party na adwuma
Mr. Nkum who se wo hwe enkrofo mo sign sa petition ye parliamentarians enne omu posture e wo party num tama ye wa ban mi tama e ba opposition ya. It tells you one thing. You see Brofu boy can say you give the dog a bad name and you hang it. Because Honorable Kennedy Agyapong utie are you Afriyie nominee party for ni bia ena ye ba party no a power no nya contract and onya say no it's all the time they are trying to incite the party members against Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Honorable are you Afriyie na kofa sa we boys junkies no kofa more circle ekwa alisa na no mukita ho kemas go no are you Afriyie na kofa mo bai
oh sir
yes ono the boys in by ono ano sa ko print e banner na gitom
a omon kan kra e binti kan no
ye ka MPP na obi a wo free party no mu nkwa o are you Afriyie nya afag na de afag no ho na we wura MPP mu ye ka omo ma ye MPP adwuma a ma boa party na ba power emfa so a wo are you Afriyie mpo adi afi MPP mu no san krofo ni nya bi what you say na wo no kofa backdoor Akofa boys way abetro you see petition na in fact with all due respect to parliament but petition na that MPP minority members on the health committee try no eye the most useless petition I have ever seen.
Omama background.
Oma making any sense in the petition. There's no sense in the petition. What I say? One say na me catch you say on what basis? We say one parliamentary select committee minority members on it. Mako Afari. Moko ye no military armament. That's the first Adiomcho petition. Moko no so mo bo honorable Afenyo Kwabena Amane. Mo bo minority chief whip amane. Ana mo bo deputy chief whip amane. Ana mo so sa mo nkete na mo tena mo kam na mo koye. Ya mama nwuram. Enti ekoye pintem ho. Ana be ye subject of discussion e wo kurum. Ana nkrofo ka ho asem. Ana honorable Kennedy Agyapong on his birthday. Akoye presentation ama another military hospital. 37 military hospital. Ankanini ya kakra any Afriyie military hospital ya MI. Enti eno na nsentrofo ni di hu nkobo no mo kofa Afriyie hospital status by honorable Ken never made reference to parliamentary select committee on health visit to the place. In his interview with the media. It's why did you say he mo visit no or render useless? He never made any reference to your visit there. He never made reference to military for Mustafa Bia Mukonya or
Omo ka kire Ghana omo ka kire party masse. Kwana omo koye no anka oye na de bebe chire any the kind of discussions are anka Ghana for ebeye edia abanya oteso no because of honorable Ken Agyapong TC munti Emma conversation no asesa.
You should even tell them say and na honorable Kennedy Agyapong can see anymore because okas mo ya de na say Ghana for ntie na so honorable Ken kana Ghana for tia. You don't even deserve to be in parliament. In any case, honorable Afriyie. Apart from so no benefiting from a NPP government. A DM fast what pay bana Ghana Aremeyaw Afriyie.
On there some benefit or see no contract near the money.
Also benefit
some contract near the honorable Ken.
Not someone Afriyie crowd. He has been so unfair to NPP and Nana Akufo Addo.
Why are they?
What I say? Honorable Afriyie. And name fast when now NPP. Not only say you afraid no better na Akufo Addo. How? Ho. Honorable Afriyie did dinner na Akufo Addo na oba mo ba bam wo nya ahwe. Unim say police recruitment, military recruitment, immigration recruitment, medicals anka betuna ka say all police recruit, omonko police hospital enko your medicals. All military recruit, omonko 37 call medicals. Ebi anka immigration for no muni hospital, but we can still assign them to police or 37.
Nanki acha
omaguso. All those medicals, honorable are you Afriyie na ye?
You don't mean it.
Honorable are you Afriyie? The hospital.
And such contract.
Yes.
Are you Afriyie?
Yes.
Can police recruit a far under NPP? That kind do omo koye medicals no.
Ono ne hospital.
Ade ba ko say police ni una yenya efrewa medicals no. Whether ye obe coach training and on coach training. Ukoye medicals.
Yeah.
Enti all the recruits no. Do you know how much money he made out of that? Do you know how much money he made out of that? Na oti ho na mo kan go na bo kan so as if say Ghana contract nyina na Akufo Addo say ni nyina de ma na bo kan Agyapong. So that ne ho be ya party for na na party for na sorry atia no. Enu nti na beti na obi ka say NPP na ma ni nya sika. Honorable Afriyie anya sika nya no ho twom. Now he's the owner of or the saying Ghana Web.
You are kidding.
Ghana Web. Onun wanya sika na kwa na ho you Afriyie na no ya Africa adwuma Alliance for Accountable Governance. Na kwa no sika de koto Ghana Web. Was he having that money? And then he drives luxurious cars in this country. What you say? Luxurious cars in this and the car you be airport one am ka say cafe Maybach no. One wanya sika to mienu.
Oh, adai. Konya scanway.
Say obisa. So that we be tiba bi na o ka say honorable Ken Annan pipi na man nya sika na nama me kira kwan ya fast one so nya sika. anka na Akufo Addo kra de anka nse so o ma ayu Afriyie mpo contract but Nana Addo no emi se omudi na tem na nya ne ya enti no so ogunani emo de sa juicy medicals nyina de blow ma akoye ama isi sa be back no kwamisenku waton ba ko ama ka dealer bi ba ko waton ba ko na aka ba we are check me back bo ne fama watiefo no mo hwe se sa nipa we yo no nam ho a isi ensem a ewo honorable ayu Afriyie hu se Dr. Bawumia kra ni man ko na san finish na free na ko sisi abeto about 2028 no honorable ayu Afriyie misanku the revelations e be free ho aba and ye bet chira na se afi be ofiri nyina what you say that is why onam unu say who per one MP notorious power in this MPP internal election you Afriyie ayu Afriyie timi ja the constituency wo ho na wa two car to Obuasi West honorable Kwaku Annan constituency no cause commotion wo ho oso ono Bawumia bad boys ni nyina ono yo prefect entu humrantie bi o metru trasem wo ba bia ayu Afriyie do omonam na kabede na wo MP aye to aba wo constituency na to aba obi so constituency utimi ja wo constituency cause nipa na constituency ekọ cause confusion what you say is it because Asante region or person say ana is it that or person on create a lot of problems Emma and people Asante region ana and I say because enkrofo bi say Asante region hono enye hokra na security no enu nti no yes ana going forward Mr. Nkum a lot of revelations beba you see honorable you Afriyie no who notorious MPP onam na keka bensam you see utia you Afriyie pa ne argumenta the guy is so empty
ono see empam honorable Ken free
me say he's so empty has are you Afriyie ever made any sense to you whenever I have man platform so on casting biada he doesn't make sense ni niam nyina ye patapa anantro odentwanto weso wakotro petition we na committee asia ye nyina say no say oh on be from honorable Ken no akọ committee nanim after they also honorable Ken Agyapong with all his busy schedule no on janto ho one for pencil paper so na unresponded to petition no on chiro the papers no famra do you think he has that time to do this do you know he has do you think say honorable Ken has that time to sit and write a response to these petitions? You see, the people that even appended their signatures to these petitions, no, and near me to omotono. So omukra no omunimwa, anka omukra no ka, omutisi e ka petition asema, anka ometwe ho. What you
say ne Ghana web na kokoto ye. Owie ye na ayi emra osanko honorable Ken ho. Are you Afriyie?
Yes.
So we MPP ni a wo. Ma bie wadwenem na bie wani fi Mahamadu Kenkwen bie wani fi na hwede ekoso because enipa bi wa MPP party ni mu a obeba be penti obi black e de amaw ba ne ho kire na sa nipa no no
ana okọ
okoto Ghana web no ewie ya ni wuranom esan be je free ni nsem odimirika kwa no aboken hokoje adwen ni nyansa se kwan ben won fa so a opeso de omo court because nkofo no toma ni wie ye no abo mu se kwase na ba adwa so anka se de ma no chance etimi yansan kwaje ne back na nka yansan fa ma no na akoi na ni hu hantwo ope babia wura look sa niama na monam na moya madwen se mo pese mo hye honorable Ken abufuo no don't try it because waye ko no hwede anyankopon beye ne dia oye nyina ne se o tu kwan every month enne ye ne tepono ho ye tepono ho o se hwe man control me ho a every month bi se me tu kwan because of enyuma opede aba Ghana obema Ghana magunu enye nnwuma aye
that is his headache
but nkofo bi omoye so empty udi sikama wo mo a omunim bra bi ombetime de abo ombi adwuma mo obi anya bi da san nkofo no mom na prese ye di ono abo Ken ebeba form and I am telling you people say san niama na mo ye ne se mo ahwe yie na manja ne amo ye na emoamo even Kingsley Agyapong na no ho ye me nwanwa omampani mahama wache omampani wache wama NPP ni bia scholarship ba kokra hwe na sika na odi ama omu ni nyina no me ka kire se dodo na no etwa kof me na nambeka se etwa kof na sa kwasho no ane botom
because entimi nkoba say you see etina me say these people almost sign hwe unipa ya or say Kwesi Akwa
Oda MP
he has that temerity to pen his signature say ono yenyi honorable Kennedy Agyapong efi NPP mu na we can liability even not in NPP national party even Eastern region ye pick liability say wo mu a anka wo Kwesi Akwa anka pick wa fi what you say ye ko prime minister enim de sie sika mo kwagye wa brother champion mo nyina no se ati ni nyina ama one Eastern regional chairman be ye banta me kwagye ye manye obranya bona anka Kwesi Akwa okọ election wo hia sika wo bi nchen se obra enya bona nka wo Kwesi Akwa okọ election you don't need money from your colleague MP brother champion MP Kwesi Akwa wonya MP se si den na okọ election akọ brother champion okọ
okra so kra de oye galamsey why ye galamsey tama MPP ti akonwa so did you ever see Kwesi Akwa say wakogina oda ensuo bremu said ya bremu ani atie no MPP o sa na tie NNDC for ba yi no asanso say ya na da so etie what you say did you ever see Kwesi Akwa say wakogina bremu ano say mo hwe na ayede ye bremu wanye bida NDC ba yede a udimrika hu bremu ano kwa
he's a hypocrite
so does it mean say satan na pa MPP wa be na wo shechire na wo ye galamsey wo na shechire wo ye galamsey ni bi you are the people amom na mo how honorable Ken you see in some honorable Ken ye no interview how the kind honorable Ken asem o kan ne say mato majiji contract and makoto amankofo ebi te say agenda 111 now orua Anthony Nsiasare say any day anywhere obe debate honorable Ken papa pen nwase
na
openi wo pre
Nsiasare ono oba MPP mu daben you see the reason why MPP what problems pa nisa Nsiasare mo likes no Nsiasare okoye chief executive officer say confirm no chief say hinfa and ye sama opposition ye pagya mu na ebe yo Ghana Health Service Director General okọ retirement enam say party no ye award hard work inti and ye fa Nsiasare be your presidential advisor on health are you telling me say all medical practitioners or me MPP for Nsiasare na ko betuna presidential advisor on health ana
so ono say ye obi ani wa wo contract no ko ton wo ba bia
you see
no person
or kasa because
or hadwin or prepare
you see
na ehum ayi no be kwa ma party o pre dodo
or kasa because Nsiasare wanyana for basan sem na oprika ni nyina you see the awarding agency Nsiasare ono awarding agenda 111
se no odi mu akotene
ono ana meka se na ono na owo awarding ye ana no owo committee ni so ana obi a o awarding contract man no anyhow you see me say kubetumi awarding contract na mame baby amekoto ame nka nkyerɛ so why would you even come and defend this is so indefensible I don't see why Nsiasare we go be an hawk of a ton contractor or the cost stock market Akoto the contract no ho. So if somebody has that information and come anywhere me what's our interest in pa akabana ma pia chen aben honorable Ken na makopa ne chawa sere say we die anka yanka ne fiase
ne wo mu kra ka kire me
throw tantrums and sit somewhere and think say as you say wo no ye suro anase hu nti no wo be ka sa ye be gya ho asem ka what you say si mu nyina ye hwe mo maako anytime COVID-19 ba ye ene hu niama wa we ankofo we krom ha na ye de pen paper to ho a ba na ye bia nkanya huntumi nko na wonsa
2 weeks no mo de maye no say no akosi sen
2 weeks no na say 2 weeks no dey take abesen ko
na make senti akosi sen den no mo ka chere party for no
and ye twen from be pass
then akodua ye dey ma omo
then akodua e be ka chere party for no
na me dey me ma omo adwuma
on say omo no aye din because the omo ye no Ghana for any ho say we say wo pam Kennedy Agyapong Afriyie NPP eh wo di pa ko adwen ho adwen wo trim odwen ho wo pam Kennedy Agyapong Afriyie NPP muso be na mo ko fa be ya ka wa hada honorable chairman sabosu wo say ba ye pam ye friend say your friends Kennedy Agyapong yam the issue ne buy no chairman sakodi nkomo baby o say amonim dia mo keka na ana binum ka say alanchamate koy de 33000 pe no kunya ye na say 33000 no 208 na na do hia 23000
e dey asoso
ye president 208 enti eno kra wanya na so bia benya 33 na o si dipa kro no wanya hwe eno nti o si abepam Kennedy Agyapong dia na onim de wo ka na ono an research ono koye wa Ashanti region de national ye no amon person de baba beto abontin no the report no say ni padodo no say na ye palankyere maten mo se ye toma no a onya enti yanso ya ntokra enti 2 something na atifie no eye nkrofo na nko bu fi say Allah na wo se ka oba wa ma no manto enti no se mo gina so akasa no so enti yanko pam Kennedy Agyapong a na mo nim de mo ka de chebe sabon su ka no enti obi ati ho bia no a o se ye pam Kennedy Agyapong no eya wo de ahwe omo omo sum Bawumia ti se bosom on person mo ye bibi ma papa no hu se omo penasem safo no na ye ka na sa wo do no genuinely na wo pen NPP a won ka se ye nyi Kennedy Agyapong fi NPP because kan kwa NPP one shot 30% kwa ye nya 30% na no se nya 38 omo se o 41 ye nyi ntum 41 alam kwa ye no ye nya 41 ken kwa one shot 28 ana 30% kwa ye nya it is all na omo ye no de omo hwe na omo me cancel papa bi nkire Ghana for because mo cancel ma committee no 2 weeks report be na committee no de abramo so committee no for report bi abramo de a mo me ka bibi nkire e was said the public crap pa Kennedy Agyapong achew e was say NPP party no as institution no e pa Kennedy Agyapong chew class ye de sa asem no to no so say ye be pam no e was say e pa ne chew now we be to say ah sorry pie baby anadom apudi na chi now so be pam na fi party mu dia na wonim dia wo keka me wa election we be call no 2028 no enya election e da for mo candidate na wo de na ekọ na nkasa no wan kasa wonim say problem wo ho because so de na 2024 at the time na oye sitting vice president na owo bi bia o to so tibidi ye the campaign asem bia na so ka bia o kan ye designing no eye ne kama say oye the best vice president Ghana enya at that time aye campaign adwuma bia na NPP abaya ye bia na ese Dr. Bawumia na ye adwuma bia papa bia wo bia na ese Dr. Bawumia na ye ya koy election bia ye lose ye no afa sa crofo na say ya ama ne kwan ama na anya adwuma de ni tiapa na NPP fo di bu na ado no mo kro ya di papa bia ebesin ne omo wetra ha adi papa bia NPP ye bia o meka say Bawumia o ko bobo ni bia so say Akufo Addo Bawumia de no ye running mate
so no be
it sa candidate mo de na ekọ no e wo sa mo ye careful pa wo ho sa candidate ye wo how e wo sa party
awunya omo abetimi support ya ma
ade domaba wo so be isa for na free
na you see mo di bone ewo opportunity amunya to serve Ghana no ebinum adi bone na wadi bone na se yenso ye betena ha na ya ye din yensase da mrefam because ye dodo ho a obeyi kakra ma ye di itini ye tia na yes obi anso so
debi
ya yanso so ye beka honorable Ken bone bia ho ye bia no o se obeka en obeka so ye June July na me ne papa sabre na nsu oto ye nyina ye hyedem
me ma ye kala na ma ke
e bi kura na nsu ayi no no bia wo ye ho hwe ne ya wodo na we no so aba
na me ne papa bi di nkomo pani pa bi na o kase nkomo no mu di ba bi se nipa bia ya hyeda etieti o mo na so mo boafu no nkomo ho pa o mo chew including party for war from polling station for nyina ya identify say oh nipa we ye na ni ya yem pass afo na chew no also da bi o mo na beba so o ma onyai
you see that kind of behavior okay say yeah thank you to honorable Ken can say and crofona ye share for thank you to no they are not the right people say share for thank you to
we nkofo a ene omunyi
oh yeah thank you to wa ko share constituency and regional
party
omo leading campaign no ma ye lose
na police station for no
asehofo no what you say na NPP for no adura bia omo de omo sake ka asehofo no no mamu so omu nesen ntro omo do manum di agrozo omu ntimi nkayen But this time I see a timid children say yes no yet me they rate don't pay into your mom saba ye be kaum because ya jiji you see Mizanku make say I am part of it because you see some people no tomu ohu ubetimi defend ma chese wan hwe kra na ubetimi defend ahwe obema or the saying imam bi akoto ade kra woni no akoto because the BSS so defend na
ubetimi defend NPP ama imam akoto pork
and that is what I'm saying. What you say?
I'm say some way nyina ye kan nyina no me ya na o started so kan ya na me so ma me hwe health committee members no ntimi ye ya na mani kobo so say Kings large man kan am say nipa we are there on Kennedy Agyapong asem nipa kro no boapaye kwan so yetimi hihye kro no e de bo o mind form obeda Kennedy Agyapong asem
so mo ko
enti anyam Mr. Sika papa ya sesa e de amankrofo eyire omukunu ne omomaso omfa nkosua de wa aburuchire sika enka yebetimi de awie afari no a ye kan ye no a omobo afu hu no sa sika no nketimi wie afari no kinslage mai no kwambone a wahehye atoganda sika ade akogupum amana ko wura nkrofo botom no sa sika no nketimi wie afari na Kennedy Agyapong ko kan a omo se afari omobo afu no a enu nti ye mpam no na onim de waye Kings large man no nim de waye and nyamwa said doctor you Afriyie nso ne din ka ho because on they said from day one eno yi na nim maye hu say ono de so the Kennedy Agyapong man kra wan hwa fa no two step obeyi na free ho eti say di pai you rakwesi akwa ye nyina ye ni mama stand when it comes to say omo ayi with Kennedy Agyapong a omo mpenasem eti say di pana na aka bom say ye pam Kennedy Agyapong but mamen kan no krebi nkyere party for ha say di pa abobom mu din say numo sensie ye ka mo nyina abom a de Kennedy Agyapong kwa betumi aya ma NPP no say ni pensia no mo ntumi nye Kennedy Agyapong ono kwa ba ko de obetumi aya ma NPP party ye ka say ni pensia ya ye piti say ye omo petition say ye pam Kennedy Agyapong no ye ka omo ahoodin omo modern obetumi aye eboma ento Kennedy Agyapong eti say de Kennedy Agyapong aye ama party we na omai sika ya sesa o se de ya afari ye nyina ye nim hia sa Ashanti region ye benya hospitals akese wo ho ama na supporto konfanochi that's a sika ni nyina no ye ntumi anye na obi koka ho asem na se enu nti ye mpam no a me busa se yeti party yeti NPP party ni from 2012 2016 2020 say ye rally wo baby na MP bia pesa Kennedy Agyapong be jana platform so enti a day na papa no tibi constituency be 10 baby o ha onya medru ha ye party adwuma na ye di akire no de yenim o medru ha na rally no aye bibi basa onya dru ha na ginger nipa ni nyina onya free wa na rally no na eguba what I say it is such a person a party no hia no say na ni policy pe bi omadu fru pe be kan bom say ye pam no enya nwanwa seconds large by ka ho enya nwanwa etime de mesre MPP for the say Kennedy Agyapong ba ko pe no ne hu hia chen MPs no nsia na aka bom no eti say be pam Kennedy Agyapong no ka ye pam say MPs no mom
how omo so omo nya hwe
boni asa nkofo we di NPP nkofo we suni omo ban na ama NPP agija besi ne no because aka wonya adwen boni e wo omutrim ena ma ye rane party no se de ye hihye ye ti abribia ye call polling station ye wie ne ye call constituency ye call national ansa na ka ye be ye flag bearer enka unity e wo party no no enya ne senka ne ba bia duru no eti sa nkofo ya adwen boni omo pa kwan bi na omo so ba bi omo ti omo nya kwan atena ho ntino ye nkosha ase emfi ba bi ena ye nam ena ye se hwe ba bi anakra se nkwa kodu se ye twa wo honam na Bawumia moja animu a wontimi me ye regional officer
aso no no ye flag bearer nti se wo moja no penas
president Kofo nipa de ne ba power ana se nipa ono no ye flag bearer no mo hold party positions na omo mpenasem o no mo pena say so peni pa wa suffer wa NPP mu pa say o pekwan lead party a wo hu na mane pa so ye lanche mate a President Akufo na eba ansa na Kennedy Agyapong President Akufo at the time na o ye flag bearer akra no na ye nyankrofo koso na tadiem e de pen ni paper to so on resign na ye mfa na da domra because of this ka esi wo party we President Akufo do party office at that time okokomremre ye won not bi wo na almost three President Akufo di President Akufo atem yati party mu ene ye call Legon kra President Akufo be wura ho ho ye nya mani maba wa kabom ali ye di President Akufo atem eti sa wo hwe amania party we nipa no bia fam President Akufo titru wa fam wa party for nsem na so nya kokoduro ene odo party no ho do e kan party ni bo mu a anya nwanwa se obeye successful e wo na mamuo because of the odo ni nkabo mu e na chichire party no that time na party for them penasimo ma make us am so don ko fojo that time Asante regional chairman first chairman in Asante region 2007 2098 97 98 or since President Akufo be president I will resign on your politics bill non pe President Akufo asemo FF fanto a obedi your friend say don ko fojo ade na oye nanado na onya President Akufo but President Akufo timi ni omu nyina kan bo mu ya adwuma eti he fa na kira say obey the leader of the party and obey flag bearer this a party fo nyina be ya onkrofo he fa da be na chance ye sade ne de mananado ye hwe de susanso a de party na bedru ne na ye pasa still ye san ye sade de bio abrante ye otikumase a owo ye friend say want to be station we I na onamo kan nsem hunu nsem a eni o keka ne nsem no sa abrante okoya nam no so wotumi ama ne hunu emu 50% every sa abrante because ma fidie ya so ma fidie me kai mre bia wo interview Kennedy Agyapong ba bia na o konye abet ka to say yiri so yati wa kire ya fa say pabra pachi a wanya de ba bi konya me fa ne kransie otimi stop Kennedy Agyapong ono ni station to otimi stop no say kan wona bo dia wo kan me ma nka no yi na free so e ba kin tumi ka sa mo ma me nka me kwa kan wo ba bi sa ena ye ne pani nate sa oye bibi na nya but abrante so so ye wura untumi so ma ne ye niema keka asem di diatem nsama ye ntumi fa ya no nka oso so eno na ne esusu asotwe na akọ untumi so no because say to enya ka say chia ya chiri na onye bibi ye politics ntini ya chiri say politics ntini ya chiri da no ye na utimi hwem obi ma me anim timi ka se hwe ni din wo so oye baifo wo na no keka nsama ye timi fa ya no keka
okay
enti sadia na o ma sha se wa Ashanti region aye wura untu Bawumia so timi me ka ho hwe ya dinidi na anu abrante no o se 11 days ago o ma koye meeting o ma kire nkofo a Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia betimi ne o ma ya adwuma Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia sa sha se eti Bawumia kasa kra no Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia o timi nya good leader ma NPP
okay kasa o kasa ye no woman timi en state one
even article
ba kokura wo mi se ne kasa o kasa ye no ato sa mra we enti yenyi ni free party ni
now we say
so omo de o ma kuma ne o ma adwene na tro de ko me say na mpanifo no suso mu no omo ntimi a omo timi kan krata ya akasa nko omo titim tugu o so say yenya mofra
it is the most useless petition
ba mo timi asate ajewe ya omo ntimi amfa one omo ansite one article
even a constitution
papa ne kasa o kan no we na abu so enti yenyi no free
yet ha anam wo regional chairman it's not radio so afraid you put your potential flag bearer the potential president of this country obi a wa call vetting e wo party no committee anima ya gina tuma man green light and say go and campaign and become our flag bearer o national chairman catch us any say aboa oso wo nwuram kura ni nyansa chance any
regional chairman
and you didn't see
anything wrong with it now are you Afriyie foolishly go and craft this petition omo sign ni nyina no omo sign are you Afriyie na chiro ye Oshari we na tia ne dem e tro sa de we.
O we no de man na Ghana website na tro the more we are publish.
Some of say individuals being so can apart from say MPs ne de
na MPs no kwa de hoto say na kwa
individuals na be anim.
Ebi ne dia ebi
how ready anyansa be anim.
Ebi kwa wonim.
Ya pese be bom di ni amom sa.
Nkofo bi girlfriends. Ene ye ma omo eyi.
But the people do the enya.
Nkofo bi girlfriends also wonim say me do. Me kotro krata we fa kotro we na.
Say MPP for ma.
Wo hwe petition pa lawyer ni tro ya pa.
MPP for ma.
Wo fa mo akwata. Wo so we na say utitim. Say what kind sa de we.
Na say letter here call na abukan hui. One significant thing na mahu omu ni say ebi nhyase. Hwe bizan ku bi bebe asan no. Wo de hwani Paul sign here. Wo de na body ni kire me. One sign here.
Chairman.
And one chairman. What would you
chairman for and on behalf of the disciplinary committee?
When you are writing something to somebody, what addressing it to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong? Oh, sign within. If we don't know the person that signed the petition, to tell Honorable Kennedy say on a written response. What you say? There's no name even,
and yet where you the copy. Akoma Dr. Bawumia. You see, enti yodom. Sanwe ni mebe boas.
Baby a party you do no. You best said Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Makano platform the brace so. So
one for me nkwetie for nya.
Wa hwe ya obeji dimbo amane ho ene ni nchirima.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.